Most people who've used Microsoft Excel at work for 3 or more years have already built 5 to 10 templates, dashboards, or trackers for themselves. And almost none of them have considered that those spreadsheets are actual products you can sell, but they are. Someone, somewhere, is Googling right now how to find that exact thing you've already built. For example, the last dashboard you made for your team last quarter, or maybe the budget spreadsheet you built when you were trying to pay off your car, or it even could be the invoice template you cobbled together when you did that side project. All of that is actually sellable. So what I did is I took 5 specific ways to make money with Microsoft Excel and I ranked them by one thing: how fast the hours you put in turn into real dollars. And I'll tell you right now, the one I'd start with this weekend is number 4, but I'll tell you why when we get there. But first, the rules. I've got 3 rules. Rule number 1, $0 to start. Doesn't require you to buy a course or even a certification. Rule number 2, a realistic named timeline to your first dollar and not just eventually. And rule number 3, the income can't depend on a platform like YouTube or TikTok paying you. If a way breaks any of those rules, it drops in my rankings. That's why learn VBA and apply to 500 jobs isn't way number 1. But let's get into way number 1. Freelance work with Microsoft Excel. Now this is using Upwork, Fiverr, people per hour. It's someone that has a broken V lookup and they want to pay you $30 to solve that problem. Now this is a generic rate. Now the generic rate for this kind of work is $20 to $40 an hour, which is fine, but it's still trading hours for dollars. The fix is really simple. And this is specific things that most freelancers won't do. It's all about positioning. Generic Excel work pays generic rates. Name services, however, pay named rates. And watch this change. Instead of I know Microsoft Excel, you say I fix broken Excel financial models for small business owners. Then you can charge $120 an hour flat. Now, the cool thing is that this is the same skill. It's just a different sentence, and you can charge 3 times what you would charge for a generic rate. The reason it works is because small business owner with a broken financial model is a specific person with a specific problem. Person who needs help with Excel is everyone and no one at the same time. All right, that's way number 1. Let's go ahead and get into number 2. Number 2 is teaching Excel on YouTube. And this works because AdSense pays. Brand deals will pay. In fact, they'll pay $500 to $3,000 per video once you have traction. But the honest math is you're looking at 18 to 24 months before any of this actually compounds. So if you have patience, this one is for you. But this isn't a make money this month type of move. And here's the thing. The exact people you'd be teaching on YouTube would pay you directly faster than YouTube will. Small business owners who need a sales dashboard aren't watching a 20-minute tutorial. They're hiring someone to build it for them really quickly, which actually is way number 3. But before I get there, really quick, there's a free 1-page worksheet for this video that walks you through picking your Excel niche and product format. It's at notes.platformproof.com. And the cool thing is that same email unlocks every other video's worksheet too. But now let's get into way number 3. Way number 3 are building dashboards for small businesses. So this could be sales dashboards, financial reports, or even inventory trackers. Anything an owner looks at every week to run their business. Now again, we're talking about a named rate here, and you can make $500 to $2,000 per dashboard. The cool thing is one ongoing client can be a $2,000 a month retainer just to keep it updated. Once again, we're talking about named positioning. I build 1-page sales dashboards for e-commerce founders doing $50,000 to $500,000 a year. That's a specific client with a specific problem. You can find 20 of them in a week if you know where to look. Here's the other thing, and this is why I ranked this where it is. The dashboard you build for one client is the template you can sell to the next 50, which is actually way number 4. Way number 4 is to sell a simple Excel template. This is the one I would start with if I were starting from 0 this weekend. You pick one problem for a specific person. You open up a spreadsheet, you build the thing that solves that problem. Then you can list it on Etsy or even Gumroad for anywhere between $9 to $27. Let me give you an example. A 14-day personal finance tracker for 30-somethings trying to pay off student debt, $19. 1-page PDF plus the actual Excel file, and that's the entire product. I don't even need to film a tutorial. I don't really even need an audience, and I certainly don't need a brand. None of that really matters in the very beginning. And the reason this ranks so high is because you already did the work. You've used Excel at work for 3 years. You've already built 5 to 10 of these yourself, the budget, the workout tracker, or the invoice template. The thing you made for your mom to track her medical bills, any of those are a product that will sell all day, every day. But here's what's really, really important. Stop looking for new problems to solve. Look at the last spreadsheet you built for yourself, and that's the product. With the realistic volume with no audience is you can actually post your link on Reddit or Facebook, and you could find maybe $100 to $1,500 a month from one file you already have. But way number 5 is number 4 grown up, and let me show you. Way number 5, you bundle templates into a mini course. This is way number 4 at scale. Instead of selling one template for $19, you build 3 to 5 templates plus a 20-minute video walkthrough. And you could sell this for $47 for the bundle. $97 if you add a full 90-minute walkthrough video. Once again, have a named example for a small business financial operating system. Link 5 spreadsheets plus a walkthrough video, and that's $97. The same buyer at the $19 template, just later in the journey. The price ladder looks kind of like this. $19 for a single template, $47 for a bundle, $97 for a bundle plus a course. But here's the thing. Don't start at $97. Start at $19. You get to $97 in 6 months once you know what people actually want to buy. So that's all 5, but here's the thing. They collapse into one move. All 5 ways are variations of the same move. Excel skill plus one name niche plus one product format. Freelancing is the lowest leverage version. A bundle is the highest level version. Way 4 is the sweet spot for someone who's never sold a product before. The real bottleneck isn't the Excel skill. You already have that. The bottleneck is picking which niche and which format fits what you already know how to do. If you want help with that decision, I put together a tool called Offer Engine that walks you through the entire process in about 20 minutes. And by the end of it, you'll have the one person, the one problem, and one first product written down. If you want it, the first link's in the description. And actually, open the last spreadsheet you built yourself. Right now, if you're at a computer, take a look, and that's your product. So what Excel thing have you already built for yourself? Comment down below. Is it a budget tracker, sales dashboard, invoice generator, project plan, workout log, whatever it is, let me know. I read and respond to every reply. If you want the worksheet for this video, the one that walks you through picking your niche and format, it's at notes.platformproof.com. One email unlocks the whole library. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.